How to disable Google Discover News Feed page from home screen in Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, if you swipe to the right, you'll find Google Discover page. To turn this off, simply hold on to your home screen. You'll find Home Settings on bottom right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find Google option. As you can see, swipe right from the home screen to show the Google search bar. Simply disable that. After you've disabled that, if you swipe it to the right, the Google Discover Newsfeed page will not pop up as you can see. And this is how to disable Google Discover News feed page from home screen in Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.